I've got one of these 800 scams finally on my screen, which I cannot move around. So I open up Notepad to copy the number to do this. And here, call.
If you are experiencing technical difficulties, press 1 for an agent. Press 2 for no assistance and to be disconnected.
1.
Sorry, I did not understand you.
If you are experiencing technical difficulties, press 1 for an agent. Press 2 for no assistance and to be disconnected.
1.
Sorry, I did not understand you. Enter the number of the option using your keypad.
If you are experiencing technical difficulties, press 1 for an agent. Press 2 for no assistance and to be disconnected.
Smart of them. I think this is the way they get rid of voice calls.
Sorry, I did not understand you. Enter the number of the option using your keypad.
If you are experiencing technical difficulties, press 1 for an agent. Press 2 for no assistance and to be disconnected.
I'm just curious if they would disconnect me automatically.
Since you seem to be having lots of trouble with this question, let's move on to the next question. Please hold for the next available agent.
Thank you for calling Technical Support. My name is Johnny. How can I help?
Hey Johnny, I've got this error message on my screen that told me to call this number.
Okay, and may I know that what that message says? Can you please elaborate that?
Excuse me?
What that message says? Does it has any information? What it says?
It says there is a .NET framework file missing due to some harmful virus.
Okay. And is this the first time that you got such kind of an error onto your computer?
Yeah.
Okay. And may I know that what you were doing on the computer when you got this message?
I was browsing some web pages and I clicked on a link. I thought it was an update that was real, but it seems that it may not have been.
Okay. And have you done any kind of update in the recent past, like Flash Player or Java onto your computer?
To my knowledge, they kind of update on their own.
Okay. And computer that you have, what is the operating system on your computer?
It's Windows 7.
Windows 7. Okay. And do you have any protection on the computer, like antivirus protection?
Well, I had AVG at one point, but I don't know if it's done anything that great.
So you had AVG at one point, but that ran away, and you never put any other security
No,
after that on the
yeah,
computer?
I never paid for it. No, it was a free thing.
That might be the one reason that you haven't put any antivirus protection on the computer, and your computer was getting infections on daily basis which you were not aware about, and today it came up with that error that there's a .NET file missing. So what I will do best for you to help you with this, I can connect your computer with our secure server to find out what is this error, and then we will try to fix it for you.
All right, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome. Before we proceed, may I know that what's your contact number in case we get disconnected, so I can call you back, or it is the best number to call you?
Well, I'd rather not give out my phone number if that's okay. I don't think we'll get disconnected. I mean, I'm really wary about giving out my phone number.
Okay, no problem. So should I go ahead and connect your computer with my computer?
Okay.
So you are wary about giving out the phone number, but you can share the computer with my computer.
Yeah, it's complicated.
It's complicated. So what do we do from here? Should we go ahead and proceed with this or what?
Well, if you want to, I've got the error message on my screen right now, and
Okay.
if you want to see what it is,
And to help you with if you want to fix this computer diagnose, I can diagnose it for you. There will be no charge for the diagnosis. However, if you want to get this computer fixed from us, there will be a one-time fee as well. Will that be okay with you?
what would that one-time fee pricing be?
The minimum pricing can be $99.
Okay, if you want to look at it first, and then we'll go from there. That's all right. What do I need to do? Do I need to open?
All right. Yeah, you need to open. I will give some instructions to follow onto your computer that will help us connect. So have a look onto your keyboard. At the bottom left side, you will see a Windows key that looks like a Microsoft logo.
Okay.
Hold it down. At the same time, while holding it down, you need to press letter R, R as in Romeo.
All right. It brings up a run command.
In the run command, type in there I explore.
I explore.
Yeah, it's one word. IEXPLORE.
All right. That's Internet Explorer. Looks like, I think. Okay.
No. I want you to type it there, and I will give you the address. So have you type in there I explore.
Mm-hmm. No, it brought up Internet Explorer. I can type a
I
web
didn't
page.
told you to hit. Okay, can you open the web page now?
Yeah, it has. It went to Yahoo search, but it's open.
Okay, now in the address bar at the top left, type in the website www.logmein123.com.
It says there's rescue and there's a support connection in the middle of the page.
And what it asks, support connection, middle of the page.
Yeah, it says something like,
What is-
sorry,
what-
enter your 6-digit code.
Okay, let me give you the code, okay? And who I'm talking to, may I know what's your name, sir?
Justin.
Justin. Oh, Justin, the code for you is 229726.
I'm sorry, 229.
726.
It wants me to start a download, right?
Yes, start the download. And Justin, are you calling this number for the first time, or you have called it before as well?
No, this is the first time I've ever called this number.
Okay. Now let me know, what do you see on the screen of the computer?
Okay. Yes.
Is it us? What it says? Okay. What do you have now on the screen, Justin?
It says connected. A support representative will be with you shortly.
Okay, now you will see my invitation that will say Tech 11. That's my technician ID. Would like to perform one or more action on your computer. Hit OK on that.
I see Tech 11. Okay.
Yeah, push OK. You can see my mouse is moving around here.
Mm-hmm.
I got successfully connected to your computer. This is the thing that you are saying is .NET framework file missing due to some harmful virus.
That's correct.
Debug malware error. Okay, I see. And first thing first, on this computer, you are the only one user or there are different users?
I'm the only user.
And these softwares that I have taken down here, do you use them?
They appeared one day. I'm not sure how they got on there. And I
It's
think
quite
that might
obvious
be...
as you do not have a protection on the computer. These are the infections or these are the unwanted software that are there on the computer.
Well, I thought AVG was supposed to take care of that.
AVG, have you purchased it?
I'm sorry, what?
A license for the AVG?
No,
Did you purchase
no,
a license for the
no.
AVG?
It was
How
the
will
free
it protect
version.
you? If it will never protect you. You see, if protection is free, for performers not tuned up, safe surf, it has not been protected. Web tune up not activated, because if you think that a free antivirus program will give you the all protection, how AVG or Norton or any other antivirus will sell their products? Yes,
Well, I was
these
told
things,
that...
the free ones, they
I'm sorry, I was told that Norton doesn't do anything good. So that's why I went AVG.
Norton, if you purchase a license for even for AVG, Norton, McAfee, they are good antivirus program, but you have to purchase those.
Okay.
Now, the thing that you have on the computer, we have two things. There are the unwanted programs that are on the computer, and you do not have the protection. So the computer, we need to clean this computer up. We need to remove all those unwanted programs. Then we can go ahead. We can fix it for you. And you need to buy a protection as soon as possible, Justin. Otherwise, this computer is with you maybe from the past 6 years or so, or less than that, no. But if you want to use this computer for a longer period of time, this computer has to be cleaned. At the same time, you need to get a protection, Justin.
So you've opened up the system information. Is there something that's like screaming at you that's so obvious that you don't understand right now?
No, I understand everything. That this computer that you have,
Oh,
it's a Windows 7 Home Premium.
yes,
It's Service
that's...
Pack 1.
You're underlining a lot of good stuff, but shouldn't you be looking at the system manufacturer?
I'm checking that. It's VMware Incorporation, and it's an i7 processor. And the BIOS date when the computer was BIOS version, it's been done on this date. That is 2nd July 2015, about an year from now.
May I ask you if you are an American company first before I pay you any money?
We are American company only.
Okay. So who's my system manufacturer?
It's here.
Yeah, do you know what VMware is?
Am I supposed to know that?
I would hope so. You might want to
Why?
ask your superior.
Are
If you ask
you
your
trying
superior...
to teach me something?
Yes, I am trying to teach you something.
Why? Who are you?
I have a bachelor's in computer science. I know what I'm doing. So I
What does
searched
that
out
matter
your
to
phone
me?
number.
If you have
I
bachelor's
searched
in
out
computer
your phone
science,
number
you
to
don't
figure out
know.
who you are.
Listen.
Okay, I'll listen.
Okay. Now listen to me. If you are having a bachelor's in computer science and you don't know that computer needs an antivirus protection, so don't try to teach me.
Do you know what a
what things
virtual
are and
machine
how they can.
is? A virtual
I am
machine.
not supposed to.
This is
I am
not
not
my
supposed to
actual
know
computer.
these things. I am not supposed to. Whatever it is.
This is
That's what
a
it
fake
says.
Windows
VM,
within
that stands
Windows,
for virtual.
and I called
That's
you.
what it says. VM, that stands for virtual.
Yes.
If you have the knowledge and you have the degrees.
Okay,
The bachelor
I'm
in
sorry.
computer science, you should know. And don't
Maybe
try
I'm
to
wrong.
teach me.
Really, I shouldn't try to teach you. Maybe I can waste your time more by keeping you on this call. to avoid you, because I work for a company that actually takes care of people that you scam.
Yeah, you were saying something?
Yeah, dare you.
Yeah, what exactly, you are saying?
Well, I know I'm running a virtual machine, and I know I called a number that came up on the web
Mm-hmm.
page that locked it up, and I was like, well, let's give this call a number. Have you guys visited YouTube lately and looked at all the videos that scam back the scammers?
Why you are calling again and again? What happened?
No, I never called again and again. This is the first time I'm calling. I've got some guy
Okay.
here telling me that my computer's infected when all I had to do was close the browser. So, I'm curious what's up.
Okay. Thank you. Please call some other company. Okay?
Ha! Busted.
Because
Fuck
I know
you.
what exactly you are
No,
trying to
fuck
tell me.
you. Yep.
Same.
Well, either that or they tried to put a sys key. They might have. I don't know. We'll find out. This is going to be the best video I've ever made. All right. Sweet. All right. Let's power it back up and see what happens. I have no idea if they did it. I don't know. There could be some script you can run. If I can log in, I'm just gonna like sweet. Okay, fine, good. Let's make sure there's nothing else running. Oh yeah, it's 7. Nope. Bye bye.